Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today I'm super excited to show you about Facebook groups. Facebook group is an most requested app inside KonnectzIT, so I'm excited. Hope you all guys excited too. So let's start creating a workflow. Before creating your workflow, make sure you authorize the apps, that is Facebook group, in the app section. So once we go to the apps, so search for Facebook group. So make sure you click on the app. So this, as it's an OAuth based application, so this will redirect to Facebook and it will ask to grant a permission for your profile. So you can click on that and make sure like you choose what you're allowing. So basically, you are just allowing the Facebook group community. So make sure you allow the group you're selecting for. So I just selected as Spot Rocky community, you can see that. So now I will click on continue. So this will going to allow the access to KonnectzIT. So now our app application authentication is completed, but you have to do one more thing. You have to go to Facebook and to your community and go to this particular group settings and click on the apps. So here you have to click on add apps and search for KonnectzIT and make sure you added the app onto your Facebook group. So basically you have to add that app inside your Facebook group. So now I go to KonnectzIT and start building my workflow. Basically I'm going to select, so anyone, like if somebody feels, as I have just connected Zoho Forms to Facebook group. So just name my connect as Facebook group demo. So now I'll be using my trigger as Zoho form. So anyone fills the forms in Zoho form, so I'll just connect the trigger to like Facebook group. So basically you can use any trigger like Google Forms or any other forms. So I'm just using a trigger as Zoho forms here. So I just copy the instruction and go to Zoho forms to place my webbook URL. So just place the webbook URL and click on save and open the Zoho form. So basically I will capture a test response from Zoho form. So I'll just fill the form. So it asks me for a message. So I'm gonna select this particular message and it asks me for URL. So I just copy the URL and paste inside the Zoho forms and click on submit. So this will going to submit a record inside Zoho form. The same will be available for inside KonnectzIT. Yes guys, so you can see that. So we just received the post data and the URL as well. So now directly I will just drag and drop Facebook group and select. So you can basically post a message inside Facebook. If you want to post a message and a video like photo, you can do that using post photo, and also you can post a video message onto Facebook group. So right now KonnectzIT support all this action. Even if you select as a post message, so you could able to even post the URL like medias, any media, image or video. So basically you will select the group, so you will get an option. So basically whichever the permission you are given, only that particular group will be listed over here. So I just listed only one group, so that's the reason. So I just selected a group now and just connect the nodes. So post to the post and URL if you are just posting any of kind of any of an image or a video. So let me click on test and review. So this will going to post this particular record, that is hello world demo, and with the image inside my community, that is bot rocky. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. Yes guys, so you can see that, so the post with the image has been done, and you can see that name KonnectzIT. So basically, it will be giving, it is posting from the KonnectzIT application, so it names as KonnectzIT. It's post with the message, and or you can configure the message as well, and with the image. So now let's go ahead and publish our connect. So let's test our connect. So basically, if whatever the post and image, if I am posting any video or anything, if I am posting to Zoho form, automatically it get posted inside my Facebook group. So let's do that. So by adding another response, so I'm gonna copy the message, basically, and URL. Let me copy the different URL. So I go here and post the URL and the message. So I'm just copying the message. So let me click on submit. So right now I submitted my record. So as per our connect, so any request on KonnectzIT webbook from Zoho forms will trigger a post message on Facebook group. So now let's go to Facebook group and refresh our page. So yes guys, so you can see that, so the new post, that is welcome to KonnectzIT group demo, and with the image, and it is being posted from the KonnectzIT app. So this is how you can automate your post onto Facebook group, and you can manage your community. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.